Confirmation bias, you only see what you want to see. Yesterday, we hinted that there's a hidden mental trap quietly shaping every decision you make. Now, imagine there's a lawyer living inside your brain. But here's the problem, this lawyer doesn't care about truth. It only wants to win. It wears tinted glasses, tirelessly searching for or even twisting any piece of evidence that can prove its client you was right all along. And any evidence that says otherwise, it's ignored, dismissed, or tossed straight into the mental trash bin. This stubborn inner lawyer is what psychology calls confirmation bias, one of the most powerful and pervasive thinking errors our brains make. You think a certain zodiac sign is unreliable? Your brain automatically filters out every reliable moment from people of that sign. But the instant one of them shows up late or makes a mistake, ding, your brain proudly says, "See? I told you so." You believe an investment will rise? You'll eagerly search for every optimistic forecast, while instinctively dismissing any article that warns of risk as too negative. Even the algorithms behind your social media feeds exploit this bias, constantly feeding you the content you already agree with. Gradually, you become trapped inside a cozy, customized echo chamber, comfortable, but dangerously narrow. Your brain isn't Googling for truth. It's Googling for proof that you're right. That's the danger of confirmation bias. It makes us more stubborn, deaf to different opinions. It turns prejudice into discrimination, and it leads to confident but deeply flawed decisions. So, today's key insight is this. What you see isn't necessarily the world as is, it's the world as your mind has already decided it should be. Growth begins when you break that filter and consciously seek what you've been avoiding. Here's your mental workout for today. Pick one belief you're absolutely sure about. Then, spend 5 minutes searching only for arguments that disagree with it. You don't have to change your mind, just notice, oh, there's another perspective out there. When you face conflicting information with openness, your cognitive world expands. This is Read&Tea, the power of thought, understanding the secrets of the mind. In the comments, share a moment when your first impression almost made you miss out on someone or something amazing. Tomorrow, we'll meet a part of you that's been quietly living inside your heart, an emotional force that still drives your reactions as an adult. Don't forget to subscribe. See you tomorrow.